Do you know there is a secret feed that can make your pigs grow faster, stay healthier, and also save you money? Yes, it's called silage, and many smart farmers are already using it to boost their profits. But here's the problem. Most beginners don't know how to prepare it, when to feed it, or even why it works so well. Today, I'm going to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use silage to feed your pigs the right way, avoid costly mistakes, and make more money on your farm. What is silage? First things first, what exactly is silage? Silage is a type of preserved feed made from green plants, especially grasses, maize, sorghum, or legumes. Instead of leaving your harvested plants to dry like hay, you chop them and store them in an airtight place. Inside, a natural process called fermentation happens, which preserves the nutrients and makes the feed soft, tasty, and easy for pigs to digest. In simple terms, silage is like making pickles or sourdough bread, but for your animals. The feed stays fresh for months, and your pigs will enjoy every bite. Why silage is good for pigs? So, why should you even bother with silage when there are other feeds? Let me give you 5 powerful reasons. 1. Cheap feed option. Silage is made mostly from crops and grasses that you already grow or can get cheaply. That means lower feeding costs. 2. Rich in nutrients. It is full of vitamins, minerals, and energy that pigs need for growth. 3. Improves digestion. The fermentation process breaks down fibers, making it easier for pigs to digest and absorb nutrients. 4. All-year feed. Even in the dry season when grass is scarce, you still have silage stored and ready. 5. Healthier pigs. Silage reduces stress on pigs because they always have something nutritious to eat. Healthy pigs mean less money wasted on medicine. Imagine your pigs eating well all year round, while you spend less on feed. That's the power of silage. Crops used to make silage for pigs. Now, let's talk about the crops you can use to make silage for pigs. The most popular one is maize, because it is high in energy. Other good options are sorghum, Napier grass, sweet potato vines, and legume crops like cowpea or groundnut haulms. You can even mix crops together to balance the nutrients. Maize silage is usually the king of pig silage because pigs love the sweet taste, and it makes them grow faster. How to prepare silage step by step. Okay, now let's get practical. How do you actually make silage for pigs? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Harvest at the right time. Harvest maize or grass when it is still green but not too watery. For maize, the best time is when the kernels are in the milk stage. 2. Chop into small pieces. Cut the plants into small sizes, about 1 to 2 inches long. This helps in packing and fermentation. 3. Pack tightly. Put the chopped material in a silo, pit, drum, or plastic bag. Press it down very tightly to remove air. Remember, no air equals good fermentation. 4. Add molasses or salt, optional. Mixing in a little molasses helps fermentation and makes the silage sweeter. Salt also helps preserve it. 5. Seal completely, cover with plastic, or close the bag tightly so no air enters. If air gets in, the silage will spoil. 6. Wait for 3 to 4 weeks. Leave it sealed for about a month before feeding your pigs. During this time, fermentation works its magic. And there you have it. Your silage is ready. How to feed silage to pigs. Now comes the most important part: feeding silage to your pigs. Silage alone cannot meet all the nutrition needs of pigs. Think of it as a supplement, not the main diet. Tips for feeding silage. For piglets, don't give silage. Their stomachs are still delicate. Start only when they are at least 2 months old. For growing pigs, silage can make up to 20 to 30% of their diet. Combine with concentrates like maize meal, soybean meal, or ground nut cake. For breeding sows and boars, silage is excellent because it provides fiber and keeps them healthy. For fattening pigs, use silage together with energy-rich feeds to speed up weight gain. Never depend on silage alone. Always mix it with other feeds to get maximum results. Common mistakes to avoid. Many farmers fail at silage because they make mistakes. Let's look at the common ones so you can avoid them. 1. Using crops that are too dry or too watery, silage won't ferment properly. 2. Not chopping finely, hard to pack, leads to spoilage. 3. Poor sealing. Air enters and the silage rots. 4. Feeding silage alone, pigs won't grow well. 5. Feeding piglets too early can cause diarrhea. If you avoid these mistakes, your silage will always be of high quality, and your pigs will thank you with faster growth. How to know good silage versus bad silage. Good silage has a sweet-sour smell like ripe pineapple. It should be greenish-yellow and soft. Bad silage smells rotten, looks black, and may have molds. Never feed spoiled silage to pigs. It can kill them. Cost savings and profits. Now, let's talk about money. Feed is the biggest cost in pig farming, sometimes up to 70% of expenses. By using silage, you can cut feed costs by 20 to 30%. That's a huge saving. Imagine having more money left after selling your pigs just because you stored green feed smartly. Silage is not just feed. It's a money-saving machine. Real farm examples. Across Africa and Asia, many small farmers are now using silage. One farmer in Kenya reduced his feed bill by half after introducing maize silage. Another farmer in Ghana used Napier grass silage and noticed his sows were healthier and produced more piglets. If they can do it, so can you. Final tips and conclusion. Let's wrap this up. Silage is a smart, low-cost way to feed pigs. Remember these key points. Silage is made by chopping and fermenting green crops. It reduces feeding costs and improves pig health. Always combine silage with concentrates for balance. Seal well, avoid air, and never feed spoiled silage. Start small. Make a few bags of silage today. You'll be surprised at how much money you save and how fast your pigs grow. The future of profitable pig farming is not just in expensive feeds, but in smart feeding. And silage is the way forward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other farmers, and subscribe to the channel for more simple farming tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one, and happy farming!